So we have arrived in West Texas again. Quite obvious, really. I just wish what do you call it? I wish the phone could pick up the smell of crude oil. Alright. Hope you like this video. I'm going to enjoy making it. So this is a support facility for one of the big oil companies, Oxy here. But you can always tell when you're in an oil field facility because all those vehicles are backed into their parking spaces. When you get onto a well pad, you're supposed to back in just in case there's a gas leak or a H2S leak or a fire or anything like that, so that you can just jump in your vehicle and go. So hold on, I'll spin this around. Alright, so the size of the oil field here in West Texas, it's the Permian Basin, and it is 250 miles by 300 miles. It's about 88,000 square miles. So I think it's probably bigger than Scotland, the West Texas oil fields. So it's just to give you an idea what size it is, and it's about the size of Scotland. So when people say they're in West Texas, you know, don't think it's, you know, like the oil field they started to fire up in the UK and shut it down there in near the Blackpool area. So this is massive. It produces 3.5 million barrels of oil every day. So it's every time I'm here, the world feels like you can make something happen. You know, it's a good place, a good feeling about it. You know, a good smell, flat as a pancake. Pump jacks going up and down everywhere you look almost, and that combination of crude oil and H2S gas floating about the atmosphere, cannot beat it. So we're about an hour or so, just over an hour, till we meet up with Paul this morning and get him on here. He'll have plenty to say, no doubt, he always does. So I'll just show you these pump jacks here. Just as far as you can see. You can't see that far really because it's all bloody flat. Somebody got up early this morning, eh? Miles and miles and miles. Can it beat it? Alright, so here we are down here in West Texas. Look at that. Imagine pinning your hopes and dreams on that crew there. Lena! Lena! Come away from them! Come here! So what's the plans?
Make money.
Make money.
Make people happy.
Is that it? Alright. Any plans, Justin?
Get more trucks and get more people out here.
Okay, is that a plug for drivers there?
Yes. We can always use drivers.
Yeah, couldn't have said it better.
Yep. What's your plans, kid? You heading back to school? Alright, here's what we've got here. Justin's put our bumper back on this. The bumper was off it. She's been oil fielded a little bit. Got a tyre here. Need to get changed over. Maybe they're out of alignment. They do take a bit of abuse out here. Got a quarter fender missing off the front there on that one, but it's going for an oil change here and a service. This is us here. We wander around this truck stop. This is oil field truck stop heaven if you're into all that stuff. Double boxes there. Some pipe casing for going down the well hole. That trailer over there is a crude trailer, tanker. All these Prop X boxes. trying to decide who to go haul for down here right now. The guys we're hauling for, the haul's kind of gone away a little bit, but there's always plenty. They wanted us to go down to South Texas, but not really feeling that. Water tanker there. Yep, belly dump. A few dollars on that trailer. And the regular over the road guys are always around, and then we've got the sandbox over there. That's who I hauled for when I first came down here. But it's to be 80 degrees today, so they say. Makes up for yesterday. It was right on freezing. So, alright. Gonna head back out of here now. Pick up some parts. Get some repairs done. So one thing about Texas, sorry if it's windy here, but it usually always is. Ah, there you go. Need to have a word with that girl. She's a bad judge of character. Hey! Come on! Is that what you're settling for? Is it? Oh, I don't know. Right, you're grounded. Get back in that truck. Get you back in that truck. Oh, we'll get some parts in here. There's a rear end there that we've got. Snap clean off. So that's out another truck that we're going to head north for. Get some parts and get a driveline fixed and do all that. So here we have Paul. Oh, look what you've done! No! You said you knew what you're doing! No! The S is coming off.
I used soapy water when
The S is coming off.
I know, the wind kept blowing it under. Oh,
Oh yeah, let's blame nature for your incompetence now.
Come on.
You need the impact?
Yes.
How big? 1 inch, 3/4 or heavy?
An inch. 1 inch?
1 inch?
Yes, sir. Thank you. That's the socket there.
This one is heavy.
That one there.
1 inch.
Yeah. So this is YouTube moment, by the way.
Ah, shit. Well, I had it set and the wind blew it up.
Oh, sure.
Whatever.
So I know what I'm doing. I've done hundreds
I've
of
done
these.
these, but I use soapy water. Then if you make a mistake, it's just move it.
So how are you gonna get out of this, Sherlock?
I have no idea. Is it?
Wah, wah,
Oh,
wah.
it's good there. There we go.
I guess if we make the truck go fast enough, then nobody will notice the difference.
I'm not doing it.
Huh?
Oh, I have to get under there, huh?
Yes. Try and put these trucks back together. Down here in Tejas. Got stickers off it, but guess what they did? They sent new stickers for us. And they're all the bloody same VIN number. Got you in £1 here. Right, scooty scoot. Got a new rear end here, or differential, whatever part of the world you're from. New driveline. Ready to put it on. And that'll be that one done. See, I've had to take the VIN numbers off of that one because they're the same as this one. Easy mistake. So 75 degrees right now, strangely enough, and it's the 4th of March. Keep going, wait there, stop.
That's good. Hold it right there for now. Let's get this chain out of the way. Let me grab my stuff. Get under here. Oh, that's up and support it. God damn it. You got the silicone? I don't know if it is. Now go down a bit.
Can't see at all.
Okay, that's the wrong bolt, but
I know, I just want it in there though.
yeah, it's in.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Feels like it.
You sure yours is in the thread?
Give me a ratchet. Right there, George.
No, hold on.
Paul. What?
You got that, I'll get this. Tell me what I can see.
Can you see it?
I don't even cut.
Justin, cut that thicker, will you?